Hello everyone, very good morning to you. So the speakers before were claiming their connections to Coimbatore. You know, one said he spent 17 years here, the other one said his wife is from here. So I have to beat them to that, right? So my connection is I was born here. So I could say I started my life here. I still have a lot of family and now I'm currently in Bangalore. So it really is an honor for me to come and be here and participate in this event. When Mr. Ashok invited, so I was very happy to be here. And so I hope I can share a few key points today. Something that you can take away, something that you can actually use in your business or work that will help you transform, grow. So the theme of the topic today will be communicate, collaborate, learn. And how you can do this by enabling your business through internet and technology. So that will be the primary topic of my talk today. So I'm going to give you real examples of how industries, totally different industries and businesses have transformed by applying technology, and maybe you can take away some ideas and how you can apply it in your business. So, an example, a steel foundry with factories in many locations. So, typically all these companies start off as one factory, then they grow to 2, 3, 4, and then they start or buy factories outside the country, and then they become global companies. So, how do they do that, and how they can leverage and manage such a large company in different locations? And how you can do your effective communication, collaboration, and the training of employees to ensure that all the work gets done efficiently. Another example, a retail store. So today you have many brands of retail stores. You see like Reliance. I think 20 years ago Reliance did not exist, and today they've grown so fast. So how is it possible that somebody like that, starts off so many stores in so many cities across India so fast? And how do they manage those things? And how technology plays a key role in something like a retail store. It could be a clothes store, it could be anything. That is where the importance of communicating and sharing the information and training to ensure consistency. Now you see McDonald's, that is common, or Pizza Hut, that is in India. Now it has been in the US and other countries for a long time. How is it that you can go to any McDonald's store and you can buy something that is at the same consistent quality and the same delivery and all those mechanisms? So it's all possible through effective application of technology and processes. Another example is a construction company. India is growing so much construction is happening all over the place. So we have a construction company that is doing large projects all over India. How can their engineers sitting in the headquarters understand what is going on site in different parts of India? Obviously, they cannot be traveling every day. Or the site engineers need reviews, need information from the headquarters. How is this communication happening? How are the design reviews happening from the headquarters to these multiple locations all at the same place? And another example is in medical field, so in radiology. So today, normal local scan center provides scan results and reports to your local area, not even a city, but within that part of the city. And they're just fighting among each other, trying to say, okay, which doctor gets more commission or something like that. But if this is an example of a company I'm going to talk about with a vision to say, let's do scan reports for doctors globally, sitting here in India. And it's possible, it's real, and it's happening, and I'll take you through that. And the common theme across all these are how technology enables these new business models, previously not possible. And these are far more efficient and faster than the traditional way a business is run. It is not limited by location or geographical boundaries. So sitting here, you can do anything, anywhere, and that's possible. And hopefully by the end of this presentation, I'll leave you with that message. and how you can also leverage experts from around the world. So if you're a manufacturing company, if some small company in Germany is making a part that will be useful, it will be a component in your product, how can you work with them closely, design the best product that will beat the competition? So that way you can leverage experts from wherever they are. And then enabling access to global customer market. So Coimbatore alone is not your market. Many of them are already doing this, and how even as a small company you might be able to do something like that. You too can innovate, accelerate and grow. So I'll take you quickly through this. So today if you take a traditional business, how is it happening? Customers are local and limited. For one business meeting we travel for a day or sometimes even more. It's just 1 or 2 hour meeting to go meet somebody, and we spend 24 hours for that. Training employees means just sending them once in a while to some far off place. Obviously it's expensive, and so you most often just don't do that. And communicating with employees, which is so critical, particularly if you're having multiple locations. You know, it's not once in a while annual meeting. So if you are a CEO or an executive, if you would like to frequently understand the pulse of even the factory floor worker, what is happening there, what are the problems that are happening, and what you could do as an executive to do things more efficiently by listening to them, by conveying your message to them so that they're also motivated and do. So all these things, how can it happen? Now if you look at ICT, so we talked about digital revolution and so on, but if you, even that is past. So what I would say is, today using computer or phone is not a big deal anymore. Everybody has it. Office, computer, email, it's all common part of every business. And that was past, and currently of course in the last 10 years or so the mobile revolution has really taken on in the country, and everyone, there's nobody without a mobile phone today. And of course that has helped transform many businesses tremendously. And laptops, web-based information sharing, all that, right from ticket booking and all that has sort of become more commonplace. Even if you don't directly book a ticket, at least your travel agent books the ticket online for you and emails you the ticket or something like that. So that's all happening today. So when we say technology of the next future generation, what are some of the trends and how is it? And some of the past speakers, the keynote speakers mentioned about cloud technology and all that. So what does it mean? It's, lot of it is based on the internet. Internet that is common, present everywhere, increasingly at higher speeds. So, gone are the days of your 256 kbps internet and you'll wait, for 2 minutes to download one email. So today, if you're getting email instantly and downloading video files instantly, so what does that mean to your business and how you can use that to change your business? The other thing is, as Mr. Ganesh was telling earlier, it's device independent. It does not matter now. You can access your email, communicate with employees or whoever, customers, through your laptop, through your mobile phone, through tablets, and many other devices. So wherever you are, any device. The other thing is video anywhere. Voice has now become common. You don't think twice to talk to anybody because calling and talking is so cheap now. The next thing that is going to happen, and having spent a lot of years in Cisco, the leader in networking and internet technologies, so the next thing that's really happening is that what happened to voice in the last 10 years is going to happen to video in the coming 5-10 years. With more broadband speeds, video everywhere is going to change, and live video offline. This conference will be broadcast, so if you cannot attend, you will be just listening to this from your office. That will be common. The concept of TV channels, I think, is going to disappear. It's not 10 channels. It's not like, I want to listen to news, I have to wait till 7:30 when the news comes. It's not like that. YouTube, is very popular. But then if there's too much video, then the next thing is, can video become searchable? So I want to listen to a professor in Harvard or wherever, talking on a particular topic that's useful to me. I don't have time to go find where it is and so on. So searchable video, to access the right part of the video, I don't have to again listen to a 1 hour lecture. I will access the 35th minute where he's talking about the topic that I'm interested in.